CK word family. Replacing the initial sound. Ick. We are going to put a K in front of that. Kick. We will be replacing the K with an L. Lick. We will be replacing the L with a T. Tick. We will be replacing the T with an N. Nick. We will be replacing the N with a P. Pick. We will be replacing the P with an R. Rick. We will be replacing the R with a W. Wick. We will be replacing the W with a BR. Brick. We will be replacing the BR with the CL. Click. We will be replacing the CL with an FL. Flick. We will be replacing the FL with an SL. Slick. We will be replacing the SL with an ST. Stick. We will be replacing the ST with the TH. Dick. We will be replacing the TH with the TR. Trick. We will be replacing the TR with the QU. Quick.